Hey guys, another M2 video. Today, you guessed it, we're playing Dumb Ways to Die 2, the game. It's gonna be awesome. Lego. Ooh. Okay. Where should I play, guys? I'm gonna try to which I'm playing on. So how about we go to, oops, sorry, can't see that is. Did it? If you don't know this game, it's a series. Oh, sorry, I gotta move. It's a series, and it's a really fun series, actually. So we're gonna be playing Land or whatever it's called. Sorry, Lego. Okay, we have to swim. Sorry, guys, can't see my face. Dang it! I'm sorry, guys. You couldn't see my face because of that. Whee! Nobody's gonna eat me tonight. 360. Whee! Okay, how do we do this? I paused it. I did it, guys. Oh my gosh! Dang it! It's so violent. What? Ads, I hate ads. Map. Just read this. Let's do this one. Wait, I can't even find any. How do you play Freezeville? It's like froze, dude. It froze! It froze. Okay, guys, I think this game's not going to be working right now. So how about we play a different game? So many options. Ooh, online Flappy Bird is just like Flappy Bird, except it's online. Nice. Okay, online, of course. I'm gonna be elite server, even though I'm not an elite player. Jeez. Now I know they call this elite. I'm actually doing it. That's nice. Kind of a professional Flappy Bird player. So that. Yeah, thanks for reminding me our score. I'm gonna start elite server. It's not even hard. Look at this. Give me that. Oh, never mind. I'm never gonna die. Oh, tell me your high score on Flappy Bird. I like to know. Oh, dang it. I like to know your high score on Flappy Bird. Mine is 7. Oh, we're going dueling. We're duel. Oh! One thing I hate about Flappy Bird when you're playing them. Dang it! Oh! Hate Flappy Bird. Oh, duel. Oh, I won that, I guess. Oh, I beat my high score, guys. This is not a newbie server. It's like an elite. I beat my high score. Literally, in my whole Flappy Bird life, that's my high score. Okay. No! Sorry guys, I can't play this game. Flappy Bird ticks me off. But have an awesome day and be amazing. Sharing the video now? And I guess I will. Bye!